Okay, please let me know if it's up for you guys. But it doesn't look like the charts have finished. Doggone it. What the heck is going
Yeah,
on?
I'm not seeing it.
Are you seeing the YouTube?
I'm trying to find it, but it doesn't look like it's popping up for me.
I'm pulling it up right now, seeing if it's gonna pop up.
No, I don't see it.
It says you're live streaming, but let me see if I can.
So you go to live on YouTube.
It shows your charts
I
over
got
there.
it. Yeah, loading charts. Yep,
Okay.
I see it.
Looks like a little bit of liquidity down to 59.72 area on the, and then 59.65 on the ES, and then 200 and 187 on the NQ. Charts are still loading. I fixed my main, so now my instance 2 that I stream on is rebooting itself. What's the next line above us? Anybody know real quick while my charts are rebooting here?
Let's see. Next line we've got is the 15. I'm sorry, the 20. 20.
20. All right, is that working now?
Yes.
It froze, but it's at least showing up.
It's frozen?
Yeah, it's frozen.
Oh my gosh. What about now? What do you see?
Yeah, it's moving now.
Okay, now? Is that bigger?
Yeah, no, it's good.
Okay.
It's moving now.
Okay, where are we on this life structure? I'm totally lost. Wow, we gave that all back while I was gone. Jeez. Jeez.
It's bear market.
been for the last week, hasn't it?
Yeah, I mean everything is pointing signs that it's going to be heading lower. So, you know.
Okay, be careful here at the pivot. Gosh, that was a sweet sell-off. Dadgummit, I picked the wrong time to do that. Well, the warning signs were there. Couldn't, rounding up. Started making lower highs. And then we broke the M for murder.
There it goes.
So let's see. We still have a 50% retracement. Okay, we're still well above the pro cycle day one low. All right, you still have all the way here to 162 on the NQ and to 21,111 to be in the Fibonacci retracement zone. And in the ES, okay, let's just draw one here real quick. From the yesterday's lows to this morning's highs. Okay, we're hitting, this pivot is the 50% right here, 59.73. So let's watch what happens between 59.58 and 59.73. Okay, everybody see that?
Yeah.
These are the zones we need to watch. We're just doing our cycle day 2 retest right now. That's all we're doing. Giving them room to buy it when the earnings come out later. Or I guess break more structure. But seems like seems like they were going to totally sell them off. They keep making highs and sell them off from way up there. Seems to me like we're probably just doing a retest, cycle day 1 low, retest, 2 retest, and then buy them for the earnings. I'll be right back.
NQ Bull Stacker. ES Bull Stacker. NQ stacker. NQ extreme.
Okay, obviously getting a little bit of reaction here at this 50% Fibonacci on the ES. NQ's reacting with it. Both at their pivot. Need to test that 20 line up there, don't we?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
So that's the 6 pullback right there. Come on, let's go. Yes, let's go. Let's go.
Nice little bounce.
Right back to the scene of the crime, the prior close. Okay, here is our, this is our first Fox 3. This is our first full Fox 3 after climbing.
Get above it.
See if we can go get above it, get up, maybe come up here to this Tiger Shark fair value gap area. Whoa. Okay. News says a F-22 Raptor killed a UFO. What? I gotta check this out.
No.
I gotta check
No.
this out. Well, like a drone or something, you know. Must have been. Maybe it's a Chinese drone. Maybe it's an Iranian drone. Who knows? Somebody's saying an F-22 shot something down. That's a really big freaking deal.
What?
US natural gas futures external losses, prices down by 5% on record output, mild weather, and contract expiration volatility.
stacker.
I'm not seeing anything online about it.
ES Premium Turbo. ES Premium Turbo. ES Premium Turbo. ES Premium Turbo.
All right, let me see. Let me look this. Let me look this up. Let me look this up. Oh, I saw a headline. Let me just see if this is true. Did an F-22 really take down a UFO? Canada has released an updated photo, fueling speculation about what's actually in the skies.
I think that was from a few years ago, from what I'm seeing.
Why would they put that on my little feed? Oh my gosh, you're right. That says December.
24.
That says 2024. Is that what that is?
Well, there's one I'm seeing about September 25th, 2024.
What the hell? They're just teasing me.
I'm gonna say, man, you're my ears perked up.
What do you expect for $99?
Oh my gosh. Those suckers.
You want to stay on the bleeding edge of news.
Well, it was actually that wasn't on that, so I don't want to fault them for that. It was on a different news stream that I have. I don't know why it pulled up something from way back then. That's BS. It got me all excited.
Yeah.
I'm like, did we shoot down a Chinese drone? These bastards teasing me like that. All right, we got a lot of stuff below us. Only some older fair value gap GAN lines down here. If we break this low again. Wow, what a reversal today, huh?
Big time.
Dang, that rolling over that top up there. That inverted head and shoulders. That was the truth. That was the truth. All right, let's go back to where we are on the ES. On the ES, we're coming down to the 61.8 line here at 62. Okay, we got all ask aggression. They're still pulling the bids. Got some velocity of selling still happening down here. Watch a reaction on the ES here between 59.58, 59.62 area. And on the NQ, we're just now hitting the 50%. So the ES is hitting its 61.8 line while the NQ is hitting its 50%. I'm going to leave the ES up here for right now because that will be probably the more accurate bounce point. Okay, we're back to almost 18 points per minute here, guys. Looks like they may want to start trying to bounce here.
Nasdaq 100 pairing gains. His session low after Trump comments.
See if we can get a higher low here. Alright, now the bid aggression's coming back in on this buy. We had a spike there in blue velocity, buy velocity, another spike in buy velocity. Did we ever tag the 20? Let's see. Did we ever tag the 20? Not on this newest one. Nope. Okay. Alright. Let's buy the dips. Oh, okay. Guess what time it is, guys? It's our next window, 10:30 to 10:50 for another spike high. Okay? So we're buying dips for the next 20 minutes while the color bars are blue.
U.S. Russian Corporation on Arctic trade routes and exploration. Protect your trades from macro headline risk with Financial Juice Pro. Now only $99 a year for our real-time service.
Don't come all the way down there. Let's bounce here. Bounce here. Let's go. ES still has liquidity, or NQ has liquidity down to 150, down to 59.62 still for the ES. Come on. Let's find this low so we can bounce.
ITS 20.
Got Globex low down here. We have our T-map right here at 153 for today. Robbie's going to want to come down and try to test it. Be patient. Come on, come down and just get it and get it over with. So then we can go bounce. Come on, come get it. Get that previous close. Get that Globex low. They are punishing them.
NQ bull stacker. NQ extreme. NQ extreme. ES bull stacker.
Alphabet's Google cuts
NQ
employees in
NQ
cloud
bear
division.
stacker. ES bear stack. ES bear stacker. NQ bear stacker.
Do you want to stay up to date with the latest and be on the bleeding edge of news for non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today and get our special offer of Financial Juice Pro for a year's worth of our service for the price of 1
NQ
month
extreme.
and save
NQ
92%.
HDR bull shift. NQ extreme.
S&P 500 Nasdaq pair gains. The Dow turns negative.
NQ bear stacker. ES 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 NQ bear stacker. NQ bear stacker. NQ bear stacker. NQ bear stacker.
Alright, bouncing right off that 65% line on the NQ, or sorry, on the ES, and almost to the 61.8 line on the NQ. It was a very weak bounce in our bounce time frame of 1030 to 1050. We have another low that's going to happen at 1145, 1150. Be interesting to see if they break this, because if they break this, then that's when we go get that next low. If they can sustain this, that would be the only thing that would prevent us from having a low 1145. Now, we could bounce up one more time and then come back down and have that low be at 1145. So maybe we get a very significant bounce off of these Fibonacci levels. So a couple different scenarios. We got to watch what happens here. We break down and continue to make a low to 1145 time frame, or we bounce up really hard here off these Fibonacci levels and then have another pull back to retest those lows at the 1150 time frame. Does that make sense?
It does.
Yeah.
N2 premium. ES Bear Stack. EN2 Bear Stacker. N2 Extreme. N2 ATR Air Shift. N2 Premium Turbo. N2 Extreme. N2 ATR Full Shift. ES Bear Stacker. N2 Extreme.
Little Wyckoff death box here while it's trying to decide whether it wants to break down or bounce. Don't get chopped up here. Definitely been stair-stepping liquidity down on Bookmap though, and still have a little bit down around the 100 and then the 65 range, 21065 on the NQ. Liquidity 59.50-ish on the ES. Let's see what they do. I'm kind of sitting on my hands waiting here.
ES N2 ATR Air Shift. N2 Extreme. ES Bear Stacker. N2 Extreme. ES Bear Stacker. N2 Extreme.
Zelensky just confirming that he is going to meet with Trump for talks on Friday.
ES Bull Stacker.
Dude's gonna be getting on his knees begging Trump to save him. How would you like to be Zelensky, having to come meet Trump after Trump said you're a dictator for canceling the elections?
Well, and he's also smaller in size.
Yeah, I know. He's way smaller.
He reminds me of Farquaad in Shrek.
Oh.
You remember?
Yeah.
Lord Farquaad.
Oh my goodness. Oh, are we gonna break this? Are we gonna break this? Dang. Punishing week in the futures market. 21,082. Okay, guys, 21,082. Okay, down here, 21,082 is 100% of the volatility move. 21,082 on the NQ, right here, right in this area. %, volatility move. Doesn't mean we can't keep going down. It's just a point of reference.
Yeah, maybe get a little bounce here.
Yeah, let's see if we can get a little bounce here. We're extremely oversold. We're at 100% of the volatility move. The ES, what is the ES doing? It did clearly break though. At its pro-low target though. So it might bounce here a little bit and then come back down, okay, and make that next low around that 1150 time frame. So I suspect we get the bouncy here. Almost like it's stuff standing still on time because it's did my data freeze or are we just slow? Is anybody else data moving? Mine looks like it froze.
Yeah, we're moving. You're slightly delayed still, but it's close enough.
Jeez, that was weird. I'm really having some data issues today. I think we're going to get a bounce though, bros. I think we're going to get a bounce. You don't usually not get a reaction around that 100% volatility move. Plus, we're at the pro target.
Mm-hmm.
Now this is a couple days old, but this was the original put wall from a couple days ago for spot gamma. Interesting that we bounced right there.
Yeah.
Okay, we got a 20 power stack, bull power stack. Okay, this is the bounce we were talking about maybe getting. Buy the pullbacks if you haven't done it already. If you're not already in. See if we can bounce off this 15 area. Next line in order. Color bar's turning red. It's do or die. Super weak. Super weak.
Yeah, this is hardly bouncing at all.
See if we can bounce off this fair value gap. This 20. Or say hello to our breakout friend below. 20 points per minute. Advancers, decliners, and all the market terminals are on their lows. The VIX is up there at, like 18.7. Wow, all right. This may be the last Fibonacci line of defense, the 76.4 area here on both market profiles.
I'm back.
Alright, they just keep punishing the market, Tony. We're at the 76.4 Fibonacci, kind of like the last stand Fibonacci-wise to bounce here. We are in a counter trend up window that starts right about now at 11 after for the bounce coming prior to the 11:45, 11:50 low.
Protect your trades from macro headline risk with Financial Juice Pro. Now only $99 a year for our real-time service.
5953 Raptor.
Thank you.
NQ Extreme. NQ Premium Turbo. NQ Extreme. NQ ATR Bull Shift. ES Bull Stacker. ES Bull Stacker.
Makes sense. It's been thwarting my longs for 1, 2, 3, 4 attempts.
ES Premium Turbo. NQ Bull Stacker. NQ Extreme.
But now that it's been defined and above it,
Extreme.
should go.
ES Premium. NQ Extreme. ES NQ Extreme. NQ Extreme. ES Bull Stacker. ES Premium. NQ Extreme. ES Premium. NQ Extreme. ES Premium. ES Bull Stacker. ES Bull Stacker. NQ Extreme. NQ Extreme. NQ Extreme. NQ Extreme. NQ Extreme.
MACD Momo Cross.
ESHTR bull shift. NQ extreme. NQ extreme. NQHTR bull shift. ES bull stacker. ES bull stacker. ES bull stacker. NQHTR air shift. NQ extreme. NQ extreme. NQ extreme. ES bear stacker.
Do you want to stay up to date with the latest and be on the bleeding edge of news for non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today and get our special offer of Financial Use Pro for a year's worth of our service for the price of 1 month and save 92%.
ES bear stacker. NQ extreme. NQ extreme. NQ extreme. NQ bull stacker. NQHTR bull shift. ES bull stacker.
Hopping off for a meeting. I'll be right back.
All right.
NQ extreme. NQ extreme. NQ extreme. NQ full. NQ extreme. NQ air shift. ES bear stacker. ES bear stacker.
Dudes, I got punch out early today. So good trade the rest of the day.
All right, brother.
I'll talk to you later.
Have a great one. Good seeing you.
Sweet. See ya.
ES bear stacker. NQ extreme. NQ premium turbo. NQ premium turbo. NQ extreme. NQ premium. NQ premium. NQ premium. NQ premium. ES bear stacker. NQ extreme. ES bear stacker. NQ extreme. NQ extreme. NQ bear stacker. NQ ATR bull shift. NQ NQ bull stacker. ES bull stacker.
All right, my call just canceled, so I'm back.
Nice, nice, nice.
NQ bull ES bull stacker. NQ extreme. 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 ES. NQ extreme. NQ extreme. NQ extreme. NQ extreme. NQ.
Let's draw a little fibbo from the high here to the low here.
NQ extreme.
All right, getting pretty close to maybe finishing this little high and then having to retrace down to make the low here around 1150.
Mm-hmm.
NQATR air shift. ES bear stacker.
Kind of looking like they're hitting that Fox 2. Let's see if they can break above this. Go fill those gaps above us.
Yep. Yeah, I see about 75 to maybe 92 as a volume node on a 5 minute.
Yeah, we need to get that 170 up to the Eagle area, 198,
Yep.
if at all possible. But we're kind of running out of time, so they better freaking hurry, otherwise, not much chance of it. Could chop in here a little bit between Fox 2 and Fox 3. Lower high off of Fox 2. Double top there. That might be it, guys. Let's see. Definitely wedging in here. Which way will break? Can we finish this move right here? All right, so we should go retest these lows, and then it'll be interesting to see whether we make a higher low or if we break. The last turn of the day is supposed to be a high, okay? So after this next low, we are supposed to have one more high from wherever that low is established at. So I suspect this is it. We roll over here, we come make a higher low, maybe ride this Fibonacci, fair value gap, and then maybe bounce up some more for the last hour high. And that could be, after what we've seen today, that could be a power move up, man. You never know.
Mm-hmm.
Protect your trades from macro headline risk with Financial Juice Pro. Now only $99 a year for our real-time service.
Nice short.
Yep, let's get it. We know we rolled over. Let's go down and get it. Come on. Ah, come on. I hate these bounces.
They were trying. They were trying to keep it up. One thing I don't like is how the Fox 2 line is kind of curled up like that. It's
Yep.
kind of one thing I don't like.
Yep. Well, you know we got to have a little retest. You know we got a little low coming, and it's just taking its time to kind of do it. The problem is those bounces give you the
There we go.
they take your stops out
Mm-hmm.
when they do that. So now you got to hold a runner with stops above that 10 ITS line. At least one. Come on, finish coming, rolling over. Coming down, let's go.
At least that 50.
Yeah, at least the 50. I suspect, well, I don't know, it's 53 after. We may not get down to the fair value gap. I hope it flushes and gives it to the fair value gap, and then we buy from there and have a huge rip up. Very rarely you see it, but you do see this where they stick save it at the 76.4 line, okay? Usually you see that when news events occur, the 76.4. But every now and then they do dip below the 65 and they come down to the 76.4, and you can see it on both these charts. Stick saving the 76.4. So far, very shallow pullback. Let's see if we can get a little bit more. I am sticking with the color bar changes, I'll tell you that much. This thing is way too choppy whippy to be going against it. Especially with the Fox 3 angling up into the Fox 2 like you discussed. Kind of rounding up. Like it wants to arc up a little bit, and we'll see. Still think we maybe have one more little push down. Let's watch this carefully. I don't want them to fool us.
There we go. Push down a little bit more.
Just slowed down quite a bit. It's only 11 points per minute right now. ADD, other market internals are off their lows. VIX is off its high. Around 18.4 right now. Let's find this low so we can go buy it one more time. Oh, by the way, this is a vertical DOS, isn't it?
I was thinking that too.
Let's look at this a little closer. Oh yeah, a little vertical DOS going on here. So that
Be
was
nice with yellow B29.
Cover down there. All right, I think I'm gonna call it for myself for today. That's some real estate stuff I gotta finish up. So
All right,
I'll be
man.
back tomorrow.
all right, brother. See you tomorrow.
All right, later, guys.
See you. Trump is still talking. I didn't know he was talking this long.
Is he still talking?
Yeah, something just came in 9 minutes ago, 11 minutes ago.
Legging out here a little bit. I got just a little runner left just in case we go down a little bit more. You can see, okay, the technique of what I said. I don't know if you run here, Tony, but I said right here, I said you got to take the short and then you got to hold one above the 10 line in case we get down to here. And look at that. If you would have held one right above the 10 like we always talk about, then, you know, you would never got stopped out.
Right.
All right, moment of truth. Whether we can save this low. Here. Do we double bottom, right-sided pivot roll, and bounce back up? We have one more potential high going into the last hour here. Okay. I am flat, waiting to see what happens now. Our bullish line, I haven't done this today, I'm still getting this in the habit pattern. 120, 120, 120. We are bullish above this line right here. If we can bounce back above this, bullish above, bearish below. Okay, there's a 35 line. See if this 35 line can bounce us up to at least the 10. Okay. Woo, doggy. They're buying it right there, trying to save it. Let's go. This bounce could be pretty significant, you guys.
Yeah, we've really been getting some good ranges all week. Good opportunities.
I think you need to buy the pullback if you're not in this.
NQ Extreme. NQ Extreme. NQ Bull Stacker. NQ ES Bear Stacker.
Alright, let's see if this bounce has anything more left to it. Hopefully you legged out. Leg in, leg out.
Yeah, second half of the day was a lot of legging in and legging out. Once we hit that slog.
All right, they're fighting this. I'm buying this next pullback again.
Do you want to stay up to date with the latest and be on the bleeding edge of news for non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today and get our special offer of Financial Use Pro for a year's worth of our service for the price of 1 month and save 92%.
Come on, let's go. We still have to make another high here for a few more minutes. Okay, be careful with this 20 that we don't get one more pullback again and then another move up. Got to manage the trades. Got to manage the trades. It is choppy, back and forth today. You can just look at the candles, up, down, up, down, up, down, all over the place. Man, if Nvidia's earnings are good, it's going to be a rip your face off rally.
Oh, yeah, for sure. Definitely. I'll be right back.
pretty weak little bounce there, guys. I mean, it was a good bounce, but as far as the vertical DOS goes, that was pretty weak. Alright, here's that little counter trend. Low, pull back, and see if we buy one more time.
Bull stacker. ES bear stacker. ES bear stacker. ES bear stacker. NQATR bull shift.
Okay, getting ready to do another power stack up.
NQ extreme. NQ. ES bear stacker. ES bear stacker.
All right, I'm back.
ES bear stacker.
Alright, we're just trying to see what kind of little counter trend pullback we have and see if we can make another high. My charts are just totally freezing. I cannot move them. What is going on? Got stuff that is freezing my charts up. What the heck, senor? Okay, let's see what happens when we hit this fair value gap. It's 10 line. Will they want to break up again or not? go. Let's bounce off this fair value gap here. Okay, we got this ATR4 here, right on this bull line. Let's bounce one more time from here.
Makes me wonder what the market's going to do in anticipation for NVIDIA.
Yeah. Very, very choppy. Coming up to this last hour low, last hour high. Okay, it's time to go. Kind of hard to see here, but making a little inverted head and shoulders here. See this? Right on top of this fair value gap. Who loves the clock? Who loves the clock? Legging out just a little bit.
Yep, some days just gotta be patient.
Yep. And
Or
sometimes you have to get in and out and get in and
Typical
out.
trades from macro headline risk with Financial Juice Pro.
I got in and out
Now
multiple
only
times down
$99
there.
a year for our real-time service.
I was about 15 minutes of consolidation. Or decided to break out.
All right, legging out a little bit here at Eagle, and then I'll see if I can hold them. You get a little bounce here, so I may have to leg out of some and then buy some more. We'll see.
Yeah.
I'm going to keep a couple just because I don't want it to just keep going without me. But I'm legging out of almost all of them. Okay, 2 minutes to 12:30.
ES Bull Stacker. ES Bear NQATR Bull Shift. ES Bear Stacker. NQATR Air Shift.
Fox 2.
NQ Premium Turbo. NQ Premium Turbo. NQ Premium Turbo. NQ Air Stacker. NQ Premium Turbo.
Fox 2.
ES Bear Stacker. NQ Extreme.
Fox 2.
NQ Premium Turbo. NQ Premium. NQATR Bull Shift. NQ Bull Stacker. ES Bull NQ Bull Stacker. ES Bull Stacker. NQ Bull Stacker. NQ Bull
Fox 2.
Stacker. NQ Bull Stacker.
I'll be right back.
Sure.
NQ extreme. NQ extreme. NQ extreme. NQ extreme. NQ extreme. NQ extreme.
Fox 2.
Bear stacker. NQ bull stacker. NQ bull stacker. ES bear stacker. ES bear stacker. ES bear stacker.
Fox 2.
NQ extreme. NQ extreme. NQ8. NQ extreme. NQ extreme. NQ bull stacker. ES bear stacker. NQ8ER bear shift. NQ8ER bull shift. ES bull stacker.
Fox 2.
NQ extreme. NQ extreme. NQ extreme. NQ extreme.
All right, I'm back.
Yep.
All right, got what, 8 minutes?
Yep. Took a long time.
You know what I just heard the other day, yesterday?
What's that?
Was that cashews. I love cashews. But I heard that cashews were in the family of, I think it was poison ivy.
Poison ivy. I heard the same thing either yesterday or the day before. Something popped up on my feed, and I was watching about plants and food and stuff, and I heard the same thing.
I was like, what the heck?
Oh, it was Dr. Gundry. That's who it was. Do you
Yeah.
ever watch him?
Yeah. That's who I heard it from. Exactly.
Yeah, his ad that's out. He always talks about lectins and stuff like that.
I tell you what, he's got some good products. They're a little spenny, but you know what I want to get from him is the phenol, the powder, the phenols powder, whatever. Instead of having to drink like olive oil,
Yeah.
You get the phenols. If I'm even pronouncing that right, I can't remember.
I know what you're talking about, though.
It's supposed to be really good for you.
Yeah, I know somebody who has his book. They said it's a pretty good book, pretty educational.
You might have to tell me what that is.
Yeah, I think it's on Dr. Gundry's website.
Dude, let's see what's happening. Some market internals are starting to climb, dude. I'm gonna keep kind of just slow leaking it up here. Can they get up to that fair value gap?
Let's go.
How about that little move? Wow. So what happens when you see those market internals starting to climb?
Yeah, exactly. It's pushing up there big time. They're getting ready.
Such good indicators to watch that stuff, man.
Yeah.
So good. Wants to get up there and hit that 50%. Now that's a freaking move. I'm doing a super snipe short. I mean, super fast snipe short.
I think they're having a watch party for NVIDIA. I think they have it every quarter.
Who's having a watch party?
Investors, like I think in New York, they got a watch party for Nvidia
Oh, I would
every
doubt it.
quarter when they do earnings. Yeah, people are at a bar drinking, waiting for it to be announced on CNBC.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'm looking out.
They haven't fully recovered from that deep sea, so we'll see how things go.
I don't know. All right, I'm flat. Flat on that. I got what I wanted. Whew, I guess I should have held.
I was gonna say it's running right as you click sell or buy to cover. It kept going. All right, got about 2.5 minutes.
Do you want to stay up to date with the latest and be on the bleeding edge of news for non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today and get our special offer of Financial Use Pro for a year's worth of our service for the price of 1 month and save 92%.
Whoa, Maui.
Looks like the implied move, according to Goldman Sachs on Nvidia, through Friday is 10%.
Wow.
So that can move the market big time. From after the close, Thursday through Friday. I forgot to look at the options chain to see what was going on.
Ooh, 1 minute. Boy, we're gonna see some fireworks from here on out.
Yeah. Nvidia is at 131.93. A lot of call options loading up. I'm seeing this number uptick.
All right, minus 772 million. Minus 772 million. I want to see if Salesforce comes out right at the bell, dude.
Oh, Salesforce does?
Yep. Let's see, NVIDIA. Let's see where they're at right now. NVIDIA's
Yeah, just
down
a-
2.8%.
Yeah, just about 2 minutes ago before the mock, they were at $131.90.
Oh wait, no, this is up 3%. I don't know what I was just reading. Have you tried trade copying between one install and the second install of Sierra chart, like between Take Profit and Apex or anything like that?
I have not. I have not tried doing that.
I just curious how it worked for you if you did. No biggie.
The only way I know people are doing it is through Quant Tower and like the Frederick one.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna do the Frederick one. The problem is when the market's fast, it cannot handle. There's just too much of a delay between one and the other, and it just I can do kind of good every now and then, but then it just kind of always ends up lagging, and so then I get something really fast pop out, and then it doesn't get me out of the trade good enough. So I just don't find it valuable. I find I can do better trading individually, each set, like Apex, and then switch over to Take Profit, or then take over to my personal. I even tried this morning copying from my personal account to Take Profit, and it would not work very well.
Right. Man, Kelly, where is everyone at?
I don't know, bro, but everybody's missing. I don't know where everybody is. Look at that move we just had, all the way
Yeah, I
up
know.
to almost 50% retracement.
Uh huh.
I mean, damn, dude. How many points is that? We just rode this thing up. Now, granted, I was getting in and out and in and out, but I've been getting in and out all the way since here. So I've been getting in and out for 156 points. We rode some of this up, rode some of this down. Got in and out a couple times over here, so legit. I was in and out a couple times here on trying to find this double bottom, right?
Mm-hmm.
I was in and out right here. Come on, where are you thinking, dudes? Getting a PIO here. Pilot-induced oscillation. I'm probably in and out like 4 or 5 times right here. And then I was probably in and out like 5 or 6 times right here. Making sure I wasn't going to take too lots. I have very tight stops.
Right.
So it keeps stopping me out, but then I just, I kept buying these little dips. And then you got the breakout.
The name of the game for me, going either tight stops or break even sometimes.
Yeah,
If
dude.
I get a fill and it's not the fill I want, it might have been offset a little bit, slippage.
Yep.
I hit break even and just re-enter. Take
Yep.
a commission hit.
Hey, listen, if you just keep getting in and out, in and out, in and out, and you don't oversize yourself, you'll end up still making money. You may be like a 65% win rate, but, shoot, let's see what my win rate is right now. Let me pull this up. I was in and out so much, I got a 54% win rate since down.
Wow.
Okay, but you know how many points I have?
What'd you say, 158?
No. Well, I mean, yeah, but total points by total lots. I mean, that's 156 points straight up, but I have 2,000 points from the bottom.
Jeez.
I have 2,337 points just from the bottom down there. That's doing between 10 and 30 lots. Actually 5, because sometimes I only do 5. And that's one account. That's why I don't care if my win rate. Of course, if I want to prove to somebody how the system works, I got to show a good win rate. But if I show a P&L that's several thousands of dollars just trading MNQ, I don't care as much about the win rate because
Right. Nobody would really care about that. They just want.
I'm
Can
super
I make money in the system?
yeah. I'm super sniping. And the thing is that if you keep a tight stop and the NQ has those flushes against you, it just stops you out. And you don't take a killing. As long as you're not oversized.
Right, oversized.
So
And
every
the MMQ
trade,
itself alone helps you from being oversized.
huh?
I said, the MMQ itself helps you from being oversized.
Yeah. I'm not talking about, more lot size, but if you do micros and you keep, so like my average trade size, okay, is going to be between 5 and 30. Now, I'd like to keep it around 10 to 20. That's kind of a
Take
sweet
your
spot
trade
for me
for
for
macro headline risk
every single
by
trade.
Juice Pro. Now only $99 a year for our
But
real-time
that gets me
service.
several thousands each day.
Right.
All right, 1 minute till close. In and out, in and out. Just keep it consistent. If it's 5, 10, 15 lots, whatever it is, every trade you just leg in, leg out between 5 and 15 lots, something like that. You'll have $2,000 a day. Almost every day. Okay, I'm buying this pullback to the Eagle here. This is an Eagle 20, dude. Okay, this is an Eagle 20. Now, it is at the end of the day, but
You always got to take it.
I'm going to take it.
All right, fireworks, let's go. Last 30 seconds.
Boom!
Man, oh my gosh.
How about that Eagle 20 trade? Gosh, I should have been filming that. Dang it. Oh, I traded it, but I didn't film it.
It's on YouTube.
Oh, no, but you're not seeing my trades on YouTube.
Oh, I see.
You're only seeing me talk about it. I have another chart that I film during the day so I can post those trades after the market closes. I haven't done any videos since like July, August. So I just set up my charts again with all my instances and stuff. I kind of had to redo everything. Because I'll show it after the fact, but I'm not going to live trade. I'm here to make me money. I'm not going to screw myself up by trying to live trade, and I don't want to get myself in trouble, by violating any rules. I'm just not willing to do that on a regular basis.
Exactly.
So I'll take videos of it and then post it at the end of the day so people can see. So then they still see results. Like I'll post one from yesterday and today. I'll post it tonight.
NVIDIA, Paramount, Snowflake, Salesforce, eBay, C3 AI. There's like 7 companies about to report.
course. Yeah.
Crazy.
I am going to be flat though. I am not going to be in any position when they try to be coming and announcing this stuff.
Salesforce results are out now.
What are they?
Oh wow, Salesforce is down $23 now. Ugh.
What'd they report? I don't see the news.
Now,
come we didn't
I'm
see
trying to
that?
wait to see what they say EPS revenue is.
Oh, there it is. 2.78 estimated 2.6. Well, they beat. Revenue was 9.9 billion. Oh, they were just under the estimated 10.04 billion.
Yeah,
But
it's 10.0.
But adjusted earnings per share was better, 2.78 versus 2.61. Guess it's not a good enough beat for the old market.
Not what the street was expecting.
We're pretty doggone close to hitting that 50%, dude.
Oh, I think we're going to get it. But we shall see.
Are you going to stick around until the NVIDIA comes out?
It's only 15 minutes after, right?
Yeah, 20 after.
20 after, yeah, I'll be around. If you gotta go, you can head on out.
No, I'm staying. I just didn't know if you were going to stay with me.
Oh, no, yeah, I'll be here. I love earnings season. You know, playing earnings after hours.
Oh, Ben and Jerry's founders are discussing buying back their brand from Unilever. Unilever.
I forgot about Unilever. I haven't heard that in a while.
I'm still here too, guys. My daughter's been yelling in the background, so I've been on mute.
All right. Good job, Ty.
Ty.
You've been riding the bottom up there with us?
Yeah, so I rode it with you on that double bottom with a higher low. And I rode it for about 50 or 60 points, being in and out. So yeah, I caught it, guys.
Nice, dog. Nice.
Are y'all still holding long?
I'm out right now. I'm trying to decide if I want to get back long here off this new blue. I think I'm going to take a little long here off this pullback. See if we can get there and actually tag the 50% retracement. We got the yellow arrow coming out here, so we're getting ready to turn the base cloud to green again. So I'm long, trying to hold it up to the Mustang line, right at the 50%.
I got two micros left. I got back in long at that 20. Hmm.
All right, now they're talking about Paramount Global. Yeah, that's a miss on revenues and EPS. ever take a look at that blue sky trading I was telling you about?
No, I actually haven't had time. I need to though. Probably do it this weekend. I've just been so overwhelmed with since my arm, surgery that I just and trying to get my own stuff, the streaming and stuff. I've had to learn how to use a stream deck. I've had to learn how to do YouTube streaming. I've had to learn how to make the videos. I've had to learn how to do OBS and put it together with YouTube. It's just been a lot of work.
Yeah, I bet. I bet. Hopefully you get to feeling better soon.
No, the arm's getting better. I'm just saying, I've just been way overloaded with so much stuff.
All right, Snowflake's on the run, up $18 now. There you go. EPS and RevB.
Okay, 10 minutes to, there might be some jockeying. Be careful if you are long. We have tight stops here. Want to make sure that, we're double arrow now. Double arrow long, guys. Double arrow long. You just want to make sure that if there's jockeying ahead of NVIDIA's earnings, that you don't take it in the short. So keep your stops, pretty reasonable. And I'd probably try to be out about, in another 5 minutes at the most. I don't want to screw around with this too long. I want to get up here, but I don't want to be in when the earnings actually hit.
Yeah, it's gonna move.
Come on, double arrow. Let's go. Push it. This is where we're going to finish a little move with these double arrows. Come on. Give it to us before they come out with the earnings. Nice. Double arrow, baby. Gotta freaking love it. It works. Leg out, son.
You can definitely trust those arrows, especially after hours when the volume changes. I remember one time we got a double arrow right at the close and that thing just ran up.
flattening. I'm taking the profits.
Yeah, right back to the open in the mid.
On flat. Hey, baby.
Bull stacker.
All right, 5 minutes.
NQ bull stacker. NQ premium turbo. NQ bull stacker. 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 NQ extreme.
All right, here we go. They're starting to play little games before this announcement. Up Up and down, up and down.
Do you want to stay up to date with the latest and be on the bleeding edge of news?
Even
for
if one
non-farm
were to say,
payrolls?
"Oh, I know
Then
it's
sign
going
up
up, it's
today and
going
get our
up,"
special
they'll
offer
mess around,
of
shoot that
Financial
thing
Use
down
Pro
before it goes up.
for a year's worth of our service for the price of 1 month and save 92%.
That's why I don't do the guessing game.
NQ Extreme. NQ Extreme.
Okay, Tony, you see my screen?
Yes.
All right, there's my 66% win rate. There's my P&L for the day for my ticket.
Oh, I can't see that.
You can't see
On
it?
YouTube? You're talking on YouTube?
Yeah, it's not showing up on YouTube?
No, I only see your 3 screens. I don't see anything else.
Really? Well, that's good to know you don't see that. Let me try doing this. Let's see if I switch it back. You see it now?
No.
Huh. I wonder how I do that. Let's see if I go talking screen. I might have to add. Huh. I don't know how to show that. Window capture. I've tried screen capture and window capture, so I'm putting my rhythmic on top of it. Can't see it on YouTube.
Alright, final minute. 45 seconds.
What about now, Tony? Do you see that?
Our NVIDIA earnings are out. No, I don't see it.
No? Okay. I guess I can't drag that in there.
Ooh, wee! Yowzer. Oh, and then it dropped. Excuse me. Yowzers.
Wow. All right, it broke the 65% here. Let's see what kind of retrace we get. I'm going to draw this little...
Ooh, it's like it's surfing.
yeah. Low. Look where it came down to. I don't know if you guys were on the phone when I was talking about this. What did I say? Did anybody remember? Was anybody here when I was talking about earnings and news announcements and Fibonacci's?
No, I wasn't.
I said many times you come down and retrace to the 76.4. Look where we just came. Okay? So if it spikes down and then it climbs back up, and that's the bulk of the move is up where the candle is, a lot of times you can see the NQ come down to the 76.4 and then bounce back up again. Just a lesson learned. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yeah, Jensen Wong talks tonight at 7 Eastern.
Say that again.
Jensen Wong speaks tonight at 7 Eastern. John Ford is interviewing him.
Wow, look at this. Crazy cycles.
NQ extreme. NQ extreme. NQ extreme. NQ extreme. NQ ES bull stacker.
Alright guys, I think that's a wrap for me.
Cool.
I'm not
Good
gonna
firework.
I'm not gonna risk anymore.
All right. I'll see you guys in the morning.
All right, guys. Take it easy.
Alright, you guys have a great one. We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
See ya.